Hi, this video is going to show you how to do two things. One, concatenate, which is connecting data from multiple cells. So here we have multiple cells and we can connect them to bring them into the one cell. And then we're going to show you how to use the text to columns functions, which effectively takes the data which is in one cell and it breaks it into multiple cells. So let's start with concatenate. So concatenate is simply, to do this, you simply go into the insert functions section and you'll find it under all categories to search for a function. Go down until you can find it, there it is. And we'll just use the wizard, it's quite easy this way. So the first argument it says is put in the text from the first cell. So we'll click on the first name. Now it wants to know the text from the second cell. Now we could click on surname, but then there would be no space between the first and the second name. So what we'll do is just put in a space in that second cell, in that second argument. And the third one is we'll click in their surname. So there you go, it's brought them together. Click on the plus sign and that will do the rest of the people in this example. So now that we've got it together, we want to break it apart. So what we can do is, let's just copy this data and we'll paste values. So up here, if we paste the data down here, you will see that these cells are formulas. If we pasted them, it would just paste the formulas down. So we want to paste the values, and you can see now it's just a value. It's not a formula in this case. So highlight the data. This is how we can do the text to columns, which is breaking the names. And we go into the data tab, and there's one here called text to columns. Now it gives us two options when we bring up this wizard. We can either go fixed width, where you can choose how many digits across it breaks the data, or we can choose delimited. So I'll give you an example for both. So delimited, so we'll click next on that. So with delimited, if there is a common item in all of these sets of data which is connecting the data, then we can use it to break the data. So if there was a full stop or a comma, but in this example, in between each name, the first name and last name, there is a space. So if we click on the space box, you'll see that it's put a line, and this is how the data will appear. Click next and finish, and now we've broken the data up. So I'll give you another example. This example here is, say for each of these people we have a example phone number. Here's their area code and the phone number. I've just brought the data together here. So when we go to select the data and text the columns this time, we could either break it with a space, or we can use the fixed width example. So here, all you need to do is double click where you would like it. So we can put it just before the phone number, and we can put another arrow in just after the area code, and that will mean we'll have 3 columns of data. There we go there. So as you can see, if you've got large sets of data that went down for hundreds of rows and you needed to separate it, this will save you a ton of time. Conversely, if you have 2 columns of data that go down hundreds or thousands of rows and you need to connect them and you use these functions, then that's going to automate your life and save a ton of time as well. Alright, thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe below and see you next time.